Welcome back to InvestSmart Basics. If you're ready to start investing, but don't you want to risk picking the wrong stock, ETFs might be the best place to start. In today's video, I'll break down what ETFs are, why they're great for beginners, and the top 3 ETFs you can consider in 2025. What is an ETF? An ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is like a basket of different stocks or assets that you can buy with just one investment. Instead of buying individual stocks, you get a mix, which helps you spread your risk. Why ETFs are good for beginners? ETFs are great for beginners because they give you instant diversification, usually have low fees, are easy to buy on apps like Fidelity or Robinhood, and they help you build a long-term investment habit. Top 3 ETFs to start with. 1VOO Vanguard S&P 500 ETF tracks the top 500 US companies, giving you broad exposure to the US market. 2 VTI Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF covers almost all US stocks, giving you even more diversification. 3 QQQ Invesco Nasdaq 100 ETF focuses on tech and high-growth companies, great if you want growth potential. These ETFs have low fees, solid track records, and are used by many investors to build wealth over time. How to buy your first ETF? To buy an ETF, you can use apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Webull. Search for the ETF ticker, like VOO, enter how much you want to invest, and confirm your purchase. You can start with even $10 using fractional shares. Tips for long-term investing: invest consistently. Think long-term. Don't panic. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Invest consistently, even small amounts. Think in years, not days. Don't panic during market drops. Stick to your plan. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more beginner-friendly investing guides, and let me know in the comments which ETF you plan to start with.